Welcome to my channel Hazaifa Bilal. Our top 10 tips for painting on canvas. 1. Angle your canvas to paint comfortably. 2. Take advantage of canvas wedges. 3. Sketch your image or in the paint. 4. Lay out your supplies before you get started. 5. Use paintbrushes with firm, tough bristles. 6. Start with a toned canvas to add a unique quality. 7. Get creative with solvents and mediums. Certainly. Here are some interesting and useful canvas tricks for web development using the HTML5 element and JavaScript. 1. Basic setup to start. You need to set up your HTML with a canvas element. HTML copy code. JavaScript copy code const canvas equals document. Get element by id, my canvas, const ctx equals canvas. Get context, 2D, 2. Drawing shapes and paths, drawing a circle. JavaScript copy code ctx, begin path, ctx.arc, 100, 75, 50, 0, 2 asterisk math, pi, ctx, stroke, drawing a star. JavaScript copy code function draw star, cx, psi, spikes, outer radius, inner radius, let rot equals math, pi, 2 asterisk 3, let x equals cx, let y equals psi, let step equals math, pi, spikes. CTX, begin path, CTX, move to, CX, psi, outer radius, for, let I equals 0, I less than spikes, I plus plus, x equals CX plus math.cos, rot, asterisk outer radius, y equals psi plus math.sin, rot, asterisk outer radius, CTX, line to, x, y, rot plus equals step. X equals cx plus math.cos, rot, asterisk inner radius, y equals psi plus math.sin, rot, asterisk inner radius. CTX, line to, x, y, rot plus equals step. X equals cx plus math.cos, rot, asterisk inner radius, y equals psi plus math.sin, rot, asterisk inner radius, CTX, line to, x, y, rot plus equals step, CTX, line to, cx, psi, outer radius, CTX, close path, CTX, line width equals 5, CTX, stroke style equals, blue, CTX, stroke, CTX, fill style equals, sky blue, CTX, fill. Draw star, 100, 100, 5, 30, 15, 3. Image manipulation, loading and drawing an image. JavaScript copy code const img equals new image, img.src equals path slash to slash your slash image.jpg, img, onload equals function, ctx, draw image, img, 0, 0. Image filters, you can apply filters to images or canvas content. JavaScript copy code ctx, filter equals, blur, 5px. ctx, draw image, img, 0, 0, 4. Animations using request animation frame for smooth animations. JavaScript copy code let x equals 0, function animate, ctx, clear rect, 0, 0, canvas, width, canvas, height, ctx, begin path, ctx.arc, x, 150, 0, 2 asterisk math, pi, ctx, fill, x plus equals 1. If x less than canvas, width, request animation frame, animate, 5. Interactivity, handling mouse events to interact with the canvas. JavaScript copy code canvas, add event listener, mouse move, function, event, const rect equals canvas, get bounding client rect, const x equals event, client x, rect, left, const y equals event, client t, rect dot top, draw star, x, y, 5, 30, 15, 6. Gradients, creating and using gradients. JavaScript copy code const gradient equals ctx, create linear gradient, 0, 0, canvas, width, 0, gradient, add color stop, 0, red, gradient, add color stop, 1, blue. CTX, fill style equals gradient, CTX, fill rect, 0, 0, canvas, width, canvas, height, 7. Text drawing style, text on the canvas. JavaScript copy code ctx, font equals, 48px serif, ctx, fill style equals black, CTX, fill text, hello, canvas, 50, 100. CTX, stroke style equals blue, CTX, stroke text, hello, canvas, 50, 208. Saving canvas as image. You can save the canvas content as an image. JavaScript copy code const data URL equals canvas to data URL, image, PNG, const link equals document, create element, a, link, href equals data URL, link, download equals canvas image.png, link, click 9. Responsive canvas, making the canvas responsive. JavaScript copy code function resize canvas, canvas, width equals window, inner width, canvas, height equals window, inner height, redraw or adjust elements as needed window, add event listener, resize, resize canvas, 10. Complex shapes with Path 2D using Path 2D for reusable shapes. Like and subscribe.